Check it out, guys. They're wrestling against their own flesh. Let's take a look at this. Look at this carnal. This is indication of carnal nature. Carnality. Look at this carnal nature going on here. Look at that. Do we wrestle against flesh and blood, baby? You better tell her, do we wrestle against flesh and blood? Look at that. Carnal nature. Perfect example of animalistic nature. Look at this. They're just fighting each other, biting each other. And that's the condition of where humans adapted to as well. Instead of reading Ephesians 6 and believing in Ephesians 6, we do not wrestle against flesh and blood, for we wrestle against principalities, powers, rulers of the darkness, spiritual wickedness in high places, mights, dominions, thrones. You know what I'm saying? Perfect example would be carnally minded is death. See how they're entangling with their carnal nature? They think that they don't even know because they're animals. That's what animals do. And the sad thing about that is humans are becoming just like that. Look at this. Perfect example. Do we wrestle against flesh and blood? Is that going to solve something? Is it going to solve the problem? Entanglement. See the entanglement? They're entangling each other. Oh man.